how to add the clipboard panel to the edge panels on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on display. After that, scroll down and tap on edge panels. From here, tap on panels. Now at the top here, you want to swipe across and tap on clipboard. So make sure clipboard is selected so that it is added to the edge panels in here. Okay, so once it is added to the panel, what you can do is you can use it to paste it to your text or your other apps. So here we can swipe across and look for the clipboard. Now you can see there is a copy button on each of the items. So before, you used to be able to simply tap on it and it will paste to your application. Now instead of pasting into your application, it will show a preview window of a picture that it has been copied to the clipboard or a text. So if I tap on it, it will show a preview of the text. So now if you want to paste it into your into one of your applications, you tap on copy, and from here you have to paste it. So I'm not sure if there's any use to that now, because I can simply directly access my clipboard from down here. So it'll be easier instead of having to open that and then view what's in the clipboard and then tap on copy. Essentially, it's just copy from this clipboard to the actual clipboard in the memory to paste it to your applications. But that is how you can add the clipboard panel to your edge panels. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.